Oh ho ho. Oh. Oh ho 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 ho. Are you going to make tails today? This glass should be ordinary household glass. In order to prevent it from being made of glass, and that leads to failure, I'll burn it with this glass this time. It shouldn't have any high temperature resistance properties. It is just a glass for ordinary household use. Wipe it clean first, it's too dirty. Now break this glass. Okay, put it in the dry pan. I don't feel the need to use this big dry pan. Just use this little dry pan. Okay, let's burn this part first. You don't have to worry about safety. Also especially, we have this carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. In case if you accidentally encounter an accident, just need a light underarm handle. You can kill them in seconds. Okay, let's do it now. It's been burning for about 25 or 6 minutes. Now, let's take a look inside. It's over. The glass inside has not melted at all. The glass is still in place. Still very hard. It stands to reason that this should not be high temperature resistant glass. It should be the problem with my dry pan, because this is how he uses a dry pan like this. Or replace it with a stone grinding dry pan. The thermal conductivity of the stone mill should be better. Prepare to be ruthless this time. This time it is directly heated for an hour. Let's see the results in an hour. It's been burning for 55 minutes. Now, it's been almost an hour. See the blue flame floating on the lid? This is similar to the coal stove that burned when I was a child. The reason should be that the gas is not fully burned. Carbon monoxide is produced, then the carbon monoxide is ignited. There is this blue flame. Let's see what's going on inside. Are you deaf? It's been burning for almost an hour. The glass roll inside has no velvet. It's over. It's over. This car failed. It's all piece by piece. It didn't melt at all. Logically speaking, shouldn't this glass burn so well? It's over. Stick it on. Glass is not as hard as soft glass, totally glued on. Burn for an hour. Killing money. I am afraid that this dry pot will also be wasted. It's completely cool now. Pour the water out. Oh, it's over. You can't get down. You. Well, let me prick it. Is this glass still the same glass as before? In order to avoid putting too much glass just now, this time, take out this glass alone. It doesn't melt well. See if it can be done. It should be the problem with this glass. It didn't melt after being heated for more than 10 minutes. He doesn't know what kind of glass this glass is. It really doesn't melt well. No response for half a day. Hey, this glass is when the neighbor made the window. Cut scraps. Pull it with us. The glass burned in the dry pan is different. This glass is... Is it the glass of the window above the balcony? Try again now. Now wait a minute. Hey son, wait a minute. Okay, it's broken. How could it explode again? So strange. Exploded again. It should be a material problem. Now replace it with a glass rod and try again. This glass rod is made of gay opaque silicon. It's over, it's over, it's over. It's falling off, it's falling off. I guess it's fake again. The gold appraisal is fake again. There are no bubbles in it. If he is real, pinch this tile and he'll explode. But same as I did a few times before. Found another marble. I picked him up on the side of the road just now. This marble should also be made of ordinary glass, right? There is no need to use high temperature resistant materials for marbles. Burn this marble and see. Pull this down, I'll do it. Oh yeah, I'll tell you why. How is this broken? This is the pachinko left over from the burnt pachinko just now. A drop will directly break. No defenses. He had no qualms. He just broke. There's only this tail left in the water. But this tail is quite thick. Much thicker than my previous velvet glass rod. If it wasn't broken in the first place, it's definitely snail powder or something in there. Now let's test this tail. The tail pops off with a pinch. Look at it this way. This marble. Is it the closest to rudder or something? If it didn't break in the barrel, then it's really rough or something, because the marble just now was picked up on the road. Only that one. But my house happens to be jumping too. Although the flowers inside are different, but the material should be the same. Try again and see if it works. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What doesn't kill you like to do this jumping on top? Jump, jump. It didn't fry, did it? But this is it. Something is wrong. It's different from the warhead we cut. It should still be a material problem. Hey Shanman, I'm your immortal. A fan left a message before saying he has achieved success. The raw material is the glass used to drink water. Let's go for broke this time. Okay, I give up. Burned for 20 minutes. This glass. Don't move. This glass, it should be made of high temperature resistant glass. We tried 2 kinds of window glass today. There are also 2 kinds of marbles, plus glass rods from the lab, high temperature resistant high shed silicon, and the glass furnace also burned for an hour and a half. All failed. Now the question is too and the other is material. You can leave a comment or bullet comment below. Message to the